Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.3.10 Input Finish Door Base Left to Right Strip Price. There is a common layout or structure to the cost workup sheets. The finish category on Format 2 cost workup sheets have over 150 rows. Finishes start at row 212 with finish glass cover paint and ends at row 361 with finish fabricator wood item. Just like in materials, in which the glass rows 27 through 60 are followed by substrate rows 61 through 83, the first group of finishes, which is only 2 rows, are glass finish, followed by 22 rows of substrate finish. These strips are for the top and bottom door panel edges. Even though the strips are small items, they are included in the cost workup. On the Tables, Definitions, and Abbreviations sheet, Table 17, Diagram of the cost workup sheet, demonstrates the structure or layout. Row 217 is FINISH SBRT OS LTR STRIP, which means finish substrate outside left to right strip. Enter $2.05 per square foot for plastic laminate in cell T217. When the price is entered in cell T217, the total material cost, 45 cents, for that material is calculated in cell X217. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.3.10 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.3.11.